Morning, ma'am.
Good morning, dear. Beta, listen now. Yesterday we had started with that pest resistant wala thing. You were finding it a little difficult. Fine. RNA
Yes, ma'am.
interference वाला जो जो थोड़े से complicating है. That is, one is your genetically engineered insulin, and second is your stem cell technology. Okay, children, now listen carefully what I'm saying. Why don't these children report on time? Then they waste time for everybody. Chalo jaldi se let me in. Listen very carefully. Pest resistant plants, where we had that RNA interference wala thing, वो आपको कल समझ में नहीं आ रहा था. There are two more terms which are very important. Third is your stem cell technology, जिसमें gene therapy wala part is also there. So these three topics are left, which are a little complicating. For this, I'll prepare my own slides, like I had done with the inheritance wala chapters, and then I'll do with you. Yesterday, beta, I did not get time. I had to go to school. We had a meeting in school. So I did not get time. So I've taken up a simple topic of the same chapter will I finish today, and I'll prepare you. Your parents will be called to school very soon to sign your LOCs. Okay? So be mentally prepared for this. All of you with your parents have to come to school. So remember, if there are any complaints or anything, all the teachers would be there. Everybody would be there. All class 12 teachers will be there. So I hope you have not annoyed any teacher. All teachers are happy with you?
Yes, ma'am.
All teachers are happy? Because if teachers are not satisfied, sir will take an action, I'm telling you.
Not sure.
Roll number wise, 10 parents will be called every day, different time slots will be given, and you'll be called to school. What is the status of your project, children?
Ma'am, bio part is totally complete.
Bio part is?
Complete, ma'am.
Beta, we have to upload your. Only then admit card will be issued to you people. There is a circular yesterday which says that by last of October, we need to upload the link of your projects. हमें upload करके projects भेजने हैं to CBSE. So whoever projects will reach, they will get the admit cards. Others will not get the admit cards for examination. So I hope your projects are ready one by one. If they're ready, you start sending me. Let me see. Even the topics were not very clearly done. You've all given your topics clearly to Danish sir. He said he noted down all the topics.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
चलो ठीक है. Then should I forward the same list to CBSE for the topics, or you have done some changes? Because अगर बेटा same list I'll forward, तो आपको वही बनाना पड़ेगा, फिर वही upload होगा. I hope you've not
Ma'am,
done any
please
change.
can you send the list on group so that we can cross
Ma'am,
check?
अभी
Beta list is with Danish sir. I'll have to speak to him because yesterday in the meeting there were a lot of issues discussed about class 12th, and this was one issue. Sir told us and he showed us the circular. Abhi to we have to send your list of projects and groups. And then again, we have to send after Dashera, we have to upload your projects roll number wise. If your projects don't reach, you will not get your admit cards. तो अगर हम ये list send कर देते हैं, and I write, supposing I write कि खुशी, यशस्वी, these 4-5 children का एक group has made this project, तो मुझे वही upload करना पड़ेगा, then I'll not be able to change the project. Integration of subjects, कौन से चीज integrate हुआ है, all those things we have to fill in that format and send it to the CBSE. So you want me to share it? English,
for
what
a
about
day.
it?
Yes, ma'am. Please, ma'am.
Before we send it to
English
CBSE?
So that we can cross check it.
Acha, before we send it to CBSE, you want to once check your project list.
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ बेटा वो कर लो, because whatever topic we send फिर आपको वही upload करना पड़ेगा. And how are you making? I hope you are making soft copies now.
Yes,
मैम
Yes, ma'am. PDF files.
यदि आपने बोला था
Is because we have to upload it to the CBSE.
Yes, ma'am.
बाकी क्या चल रहा है? What about PHE and all?
Ma'am, submit
Ma'am,
PPT files.
pages
ma'am.
कब तक?
PHE also you are making projects now?
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ बेटा, we have to send a list. So all of the teachers would be asking, but make sure you check your subject topics before you finalize. I'll see in English class today. Abhi I'll have a break from 11:15 to 11:30. I'll tell Danish sir to send the list to me. I'll see आज English class में उसको display करके check करवा लेते हैं. I'll try doing that part with you today. So I was telling you there are 3 difficult topics which I'll be taking
Excuse
up
me, ma'am.
tomorrow. Yes, beta.
Ma'am, please send that for first 4 pages of the project. You said leave that 4 pages. I'll
Yes,
send you the data, and then you can write that. And the acknowledgement, introduction, and all that.
I'll share it on the class groups. It is basically the name of the school and acknowledgements and all that part. I'll share it on the class groups.
Okay.
Okay?
ma'am.
Don't worry. I'll share it on the class groups.
Okay.
Priority में first let me send this to the CBSE, the updated list of your projects and groups. Because उसमें साफ लिखा है कि if the name is not there of a child in any of the groups, then admit card will not be issued to that child for this year. So they're taking it seriously, beta. It is better. And because they're saying कि upload करो, तो हो सकता है कि marks भी वो लोग खुद ही दे दे. Because we are not clear now. So make it nicely what I'm trying to tell you. Though English में तो internal है, so no issues. You'll have ASL, so we won't have a problem. Beta, today is what day? Thursday, if I'm not wrong.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So by Friday and Saturday, 2 more days and 3 difficult topics. We'll complete this chapter by Saturday. And then we'll start with a new chapter on Monday. As I told you, from Monday. Yes, beta.
मैम आपने अभी इवोल्यूशन तो करवाया तो नहीं है ना?
बेटा मैं उसी पे आ रही थी. The next topic that you want to start, the next chapter that you want to start is what?
मैम इवोल्यूशन और ह्यूमन हेल्थ और डिसीजेस मैम बिटवीन these
Human health and disease तो बेटा बच्चों वाला chapter है. Tell me what you want to start. Anyways, I am okay with both of them. Children, you tell me what I have to start from Monday. Evolution now? Yes,
ma'am.
evolution. Yes, it's something important also. And if you remember, I told you, along with the next chapter, I'll be taking up previous year's
Excuse me, ma'am.
question also. Yes, dear.
Ma'am, I think a lot of part of evolution is cut.
Yes ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
I
And
know
ma'am,
a lot of.
ecosystem
Ma'am,
also.
around 80% chapter is cut.
I know it is cut, beta. तो जल्दी हो जाएगा ना? That is what I'm saying. Or you want to start with another chapter?
No ma'am, evolution only.
हम लोग नहीं करेंगे.
Evolution कर लो, बहुत थोड़ा सा ही part है उसका. And then
Yes,
it will
ma'am.
be कि And one more thing, children. Principal sir yesterday decided कि जो November में exams होंगे, you will not have the entire syllabus. I think very nice decision. If you remember, the first exams हुए थे, you had almost 50 to 60% syllabus.
Yes, ma'am.
So the leftover part now, जो उसमें नहीं आया था, all that will be covered in the second term exams which you will have in November.
Ma'am, I want to ask a question. Actually, the exam held in school only or online?
बेटा depends. We तो want कि school में हो जाए एक at least. but it all depends upon the conditions in November. Abhi to we cannot predict this till 1 month. Tentative date for exams is 1 week after Diwali, so that is 23rd November. So you still have a
Ma'am.
month or so.
मैम
me, ma'am.
मतलब जो हाफ ईयरली में सिलेबस आता है वो नहीं आएगा?
बेटा हम लोगों ने यही सोचा, प्रिंसिपल सर का ही सजेशन था और हम लोग को भी लगा कि ये अच्छा रहेगा, क्योंकि अगर हम लोग ये वाला सिलेबस कवर करते हैं जो उसमें नहीं आया था, तो ये वाला पार्ट तो अभी बिल्कुल अनटच्ड है आपका। फर्स्ट वाले पार्ट को तो फिर भी आपने स्टडी किया, फिर दिसंबर तब दोनों चीजों को मिक्स करके ले लेंगे।
यस मैम,
बिकॉज अभी
मैम
हम लोग
नवंबर
क्या
में प्री बोर्ड्स ही
करेंगे,
होंगे ना?
हाँ दिसंबर में प्री बोर्ड्स। ओके,
एंड
मैम
नवंबर
कितने
में
प्री बोर्ड हैं?
एग्जाम्स हैं?
बेटा दिसंबर एंड जनवरी 2 ही हो पाएंगे। मुझे तो लग रहा है अगर हम लोग नवंबर में इस तरह से असेसमेंट लेंगे, 50% ओनली विल बी टेकिंग अप। एंड आई थिंक इट्स अ वेरी गुड सजेशन, बिकॉज फर्स्ट 50% वाला पार्ट जो है वो आप एक बार असेसमेंट दे चुके हो, ये वाला पार्ट अभी बिल्कुल अनटच्ड है, सो विल बी एबल टू
मैम
आस्क
पर
मोर
हाफ
क्वेश्चंस।
ईयरली में तो मैम वो चैप्टर आए नहीं थे मैम, शुरुआत के पूरी रिप्रोडक्शन वाली यूनिट सिर्फ रिप्रोडक्टिव हेल्थ आया था।
बेटा जो पार्ट हाफ ईयरली में नहीं आया था वो सारा पार्ट अब आएगा, ठीक है? दैट इज व्हाट आई एम ट्राइंग टू से।
ओके मैम।
ज्यादा हो जाएगा।
यस, जो पार्ट आपके हाफ ईयरलीज में अभी तो फुल सिलेबस था, अब कम हो गया, तो अब ये भी ज्यादा हो रहा है।
तो
वेरी
मैम
गुड,
दिसंबर तक तो पूरा सिलेबस भी हो जाएगा।
यस मैम, ये बहुत ज्यादा है मैम। मैम
not December children, we will finish the syllabus at any cost by Diwali, that is 14 November, 100% commitment of all
मैम
teachers
दिवाली
yesterday.
एंड चिल्ड्रंस डे आर ऑन सेम डे।
Yes, they are on the same day, so double gifts
तो
from the
मैम प्री बोर्ड्स
parents.
कब होंगे मैम?
Pre-boards beta we are saying na we'll have it in December. November we'll have this assessment 50% वाला.
मैम मुझे
Okay.
एक चीज
ओके
पूछनी
मैम।
है। मैम सिलेबस कम कैसे हुआ मैम? पूरी रिप्रोडक्शन वाली यूनिट, पूरी जेनेटिक्स, मैम पूरा सब कुछ तो आ रहा है मैम, 70% आ रही है।
मैम
My
हाफ
dear,
ईयरली में तो सिर्फ 3 चैप्टर्स ही
my
आए।
dear, सुनो मेरी बात सुनो. See, in biology you need not panic. I'll tell you why. I've already told you from Monday I'll be starting with those 15 minutes wala revision assessment sessions with the chapters which are going to come in your second half. So why are you troubled? Even if you be in the class, you'll be revising at least 30-35 questions every day. Every day we'll do
ओके
it.
मैम।
So don't worry about that part. I've already told you. बेटा देखो इसके बाद कुछ ज्यादा बच नहीं जाता है after this chapter is completed. So from Monday when I start with the new chapter, I'll also side by side take up previous year's papers and all the other things which are needed. Is it okay for everybody? So don't panic. I think you had already decided the chapter also you wanted to revise with me. Which one it was? Molecular
First
basis now?
chapter.
First
मैम फ्रॉम द
chapter.
फर्स्ट चैप्टर।
From the first chapter. चलो ठीक है. From the first chapter we'll pick up those chapters very quickly. We'll be taking up the revisions. अब जल्दी से पढ़ लें. आज का टॉपिक बहुत ही easy है. I've picked up these simple topics.
Ma'am,
आज
please,
इसको
ma'am,
खत्म करते हैं.
Ma'am,
हाँ,
one more
something
doubt,
else.
ma'am.
Yes, beta, ask. You people are not in a mode of studying. I know that. So you are asking questions. Keep asking.
Ma'am, I'm asking that both parents have to come to sign or only one?
What beta?
Ma'am, both parents have to come to sign the LOC or one is enough?
Only one can come. That's not an issue. You can bring the
Okay.
parent who is softer for your safety. That is what I would say. Most of you would prefer to bring
Okay,
your
ma'am.
fathers. I mean, I'm talking in general. Most of you will prefer to bring
Ma'am,
your father.
student also has to come.
Yes, the student also.
has to come.
Yes, and then we'll
Ma'am,
attack
why?
you. All the teachers.
Yes,
will
ma'am, why
attack you.
student?
You have to sign certain things, and then you need to listen
Okay.
and know what is the feedback of the teachers, what teachers think about you. That you will get to know that day, na, when your parents are there. So
Another
parents
type
means,
of PTM.
yes, you need to decide that where you are safer. If you're more safe with your father, come with your father. If you're safer with your mother, then come with your mother. It's entirely your choice.
And
I'm
ma'am,
again
when
there.
it is?
Sir will post a schedule roll number wise today or tomorrow. It's like everybody will not come on the same day. 10 students will be given a particular time slot, 10 parents. Social distancing has to be followed, na? So we cannot call all the parents together. Sir has planned it out very nicely. So he'll be calling you And some of you would also be getting some nice letters from the school awaiting. So be prepared with all kind of things. Let's start. Don't panic. There's nothing big. You are studying. What is the issue? Anything else to ask very quickly? I hope I've told you the syllabus pattern for the examination and December and dates the exam is going to start. I've told you almost everything. Let's start now. I had already told you about transgenic animals, beta. Animals that had their DNA manipulated. That means if they have a foreign gene, such kind of animals are known as transgenic animals. I have already done with you. Mohit Patel, was he there in the meeting earlier or is planning to join now? Children, was Mohit there in the meeting or he is coming now? Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am, you are audible.
Yes.
I am
Yes, ma'am.
asking, was Mohit there in the meeting or he is wanting to join now?
Ma'am, I didn't check.
Ma'am, I
So let
think he's coming now because there were 14 participants and then 15.
So let him be
They're
there.
increasing only.
Yes. हाँ तो ठीक है. Let him be in the waiting room. Relax. I had told you yesterday, children. You remember transgene? I had revised with you transgene yesterday. What is a transgene? Quickly.
Ma'am, gene of interest, foreign gene.
Yes, the foreign gene or gene of interest is called a transgene. So जिस भी animal के अंदर transgene चला गया, that gene will be known as which? Sorry, that animal will be known as which animal?
Transgenic.
Transgenic.
Transgenic animals. Transgenic rats, transgenic rabbits, transgenic pigs, sheep, cow, fishes. Over 95% of all the existing transgenic animals are mice. See, this is an interesting fact. Listen carefully. 95% of all the existing transgenic animals are mice. Beta, normally जितनी भी medicines बनती हैं, जितनी भी चीजें test होती हैं, they're always done on mice. Mainly, we always do the testing on mice only. So we are testing something, तो obviously हमने उनके अंदर क्या डालते होंगे? We must be inserting a transgene into these organisms to see the effects. ये लोग बहुत जल्दी receptive होते हैं, so they show the changes very soon. Mice. So we always try doing it with mice. तो जितनी भी transgenic animals you have, उसका 95% is which category?
Mice.
Mice. Okay, what is a mice?
Mice.
Rat.
And चूहा.
चूहा.
चूहा family का, yes. So mainly experiments हम उसी के ऊपर करते हैं. Everybody knows what is a transgene very quickly.
Gene of interest, foreign gene.
Gene of
Foreign gene.
interest.
And those animals who have this extra gene, foreign gene or manipulated gene, what are these animals known as?
Transgenic.
Transgenic.
Transgenic animals.
How much % of the existing transgenic animals are mice?
95.
90%.
95%.
So beta, we are preparing transgenic animals, so उनके कुछ benefits होते होंगे. Very quickly, I'll be discussing. There are 5 benefits of transgenic animals. फटाफट discuss करेंगे, then I'll ask questions. The first benefit of a transgenic animal is normal physiology and development. Transgenic animals can be specifically designed. आप उनको खुद design कर रहे हो बेटा. To study of how genes are regulated and how they affect the normal functioning of the body and its development. For example, the study of complex factors involved in growth, such as insulin-like growth factors. Transgenic animals may, what is the thing you can assure? What are the benefits? Normal physiology and development. Normal physiology and development because आप उसकी growth को artificially control कर रहे हो. So obviously, development बिल्कुल normal होगा. Physiology, the structure, the body anatomy will be normal. Abnormality के chances बहुत कम रहते हैं because we are monitoring the DNA of that particular organism. So the first benefit of transgenic animals is the normal physiology and development. What is the second benefit we get from these organisms? Many of these animals are designed to increase the understanding of how genes contribute to the development of diseases. अब हमें ये doubt हो रहा है कि ये disease, ये वाली gene जो है disease cause करती है. So सबसे अच्छा तरीका क्या है? I cannot insert it into Yashasvi or Abhirup or Gausia or anyone to check. I cannot take that chance कि ये gene disease cause करेगी या नहीं करेगी. So the best example is कि हम लोग क्या करें? Let us insert these genes into these animals. For example, diseases like cancer, fibrosis, rheumatoid arthritis, Alzheimer, ये सारी चीजों को टेस्ट करने के लिए we are going to use these animals. Which animals am I talking about?
Transgenic.
Mice.
Transgenic animals.
Transgenic
Because
animals.
we cannot do this testing on humans. So they're specially made to serve as models for human diseases so that investigation of new treatments for diseases is made possible. Like I was just telling you, कि हम लोग treatment भी अगर test करेंगे, trying to test a medicine, so the best way is सबसे पहले हम किस पे test करते हैं? Mice पे ही करते हैं. Mainly all the antibiotics which are discovered, always the first initial testing which is done is always done on mice mainly. So second benefit is you can study the diseases with the help of these animals. Third is biological production. Human diseases can be treated by medicines that contain biological products. कैसे बेटा? Transgenic animals that produce useful biological products can be created by the introduction of the portion of the DNA or a gene that codes for a particular product, such as human protein, which is used to treat emphysema. If you remember, हमने insulin producing gene की help से बहुत सारा insulin produce किया था.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
We
ma'am.
had done this. Similarly, हम लोग exactly वही चीज करके we can also produce a human protein. And what is the name of this protein? Listen carefully, all of you. Alpha-1 antitrypsin. Name this protein.
Alpha-1 antitrypsin.
Alpha-1 and
Yes, alpha-1 antitrypsin. This is used to treat emphysema. What is emphysema? Which disease is this?
Ma'am, lung disease. Respiratory
Lung disease, ma'am.
Yes, very good. Have you heard about this? कौन से वाले disease category में पढ़ा था इसके बारे में? Emphysema?
Ma'am, industrial.
Yes,
Yes,
very
ma'am.
good. Professional diseases. बचपन में पढ़े होंगे diseases which are
Ma'am,
caused.
11th class.
Yes, ma'am. 11th class.
11th में था. Okay, okay. Professional वाला thing we have done this. So very quickly, tell me the name of the human protein.
Alpha-1 antitrypsin.
Alpha-1 antitrypsin.
Alpha-1 antitrypsin. This is used to treat which disease?
Emphysema.
Emphysema.
So you see, this is a useful product, and we can use transgenic animals to get these products. इसमें आप वो वाला example भी दे सकते हो, insulin वाला. Similar attempts are being made for the treatment of phenylketonuria and cystic fibrosis. 2 more diseases, बेटा. अब हमारे target पे हैं. What are the 2 more diseases?
Phenylketonuria and
Phenylketonuria.
cystic fibrosis.
Phenylketonuria and cystic
Phenylketonuria and
fibrosis.
cystic fibrosis. For example, the first transgenic cow. बेटा, first artificial वो sheep तो याद ही होगी. What was the name? Hybrid वाला sheep. Dolly. You all remember Dolly और सब भूल गए Dolly को?
भूल
हम
गए।
याद है डॉली।
मैं याद है, मैं डॉली।
याद है? क्या है? क्या खास बात थी डॉली में?
मैं वो
clone
क्लोन थी,
clone.
क्लोन थी मैं वो।
First clone.
Yes, very good. So जैसे डॉली याद है ऐसे रोजी भी याद करिए ना. Okay, learn Rosie also. Rosie was the first transgenic cow. Okay, produce human protein enriched milk. What specialization this Rosie had, beta? We made some modifications in the DNA of this cow that it started producing human protein enriched milk. And how much rich protein it was? In 1 liter, it was 2.4 grams. See, kitna jada protein amount in 1 liter. How many grams in 1 liter, children?
2.4.
2.4.
So if you have this transgenic cow, Rosie, in your house, and if she gives you 2 liters of milk, तो कितने gram proteins मिल रहे हैं आपको?
4.8.
4.8 grams.
4.8 grams. Please remember, the first transgenic cow was Rosie. It was in 1997 that this first transgenic cow was developed. And how much is the human protein in 1 liter in this cow's milk?
2.4 grams.
0.4.
Very good.
0.4.
And the milk of this cow, I'm talking about the transgenic cow Rosie, it contained the human alpha lactalbumin. What does it contain? इसके बारे में भी अभी डिस्कस कर लेते हैं. It contained the alpha
lactalbumin.
It was nutritionally a more balanced product for human baby than natural cow's milk. I'll be discussing about this alpha wala part just now with you. Abhi, just read this. Let me explain it to you.
मैम स्क्रीन
milk
स्क्रॉल कर दीजिए
contained.
ऊपर.
Yes, ma'am.
Screen ऊपर करूं? Okay, yes dear. बहुत सारी चीजें I have to learn. Why is it not happening? Let me ask for help from Swesha Didi. Okay, beta, just a second, she'll get it done. We are talking about which cow. By the time Swesha does this, tell me which is the cow.
Rosie.
अच्छा हो गया.
Rosie.
आपके आते ही हो गया, हो ही नहीं रहा था पहले. It's done. It's done now. Okay. Listen very carefully, beta. Name of the cow was Rosie. Which was the year? Which was the year?
1997.
1997.
1997. How many grams per liter?
2.4 grams.
2.4 grams.
2.4 grams.
So what is special about this Rosie?
मैम फर्स्ट
High amount of
ट्रांस
protein.
First transgenic
First
cow.
transgenic
अब चल, अब
cow.
अगला अगली लाइन समझो. The milk contained the human alpha lactalbumin. ये क्या चीज होती है? Have you ever heard about this protein?
No,
No,
ma'am.
ma'am. नहीं.
नो मैम
चलो नेवर माइंड, नहीं सुना, डिस्कस करते हैं, बहुत शॉर्ट में डिस्कस करते हैं. This is a protein which controls the production of lactose. Okay? ध्यान से सुनो.
Okay,
This is
ma'am.
simply what it is, a protein which controls the production of lactose in the milk of almost all the mammals. क्या चीज करेगा ये प्रोटीन बेटा? It will
Controls
control the
lactose.
production of
Controls
lactose. And which species of animals में ये करता है?
मैमल
Mammals.
Mammals.
So very quickly, name the protein which controls the production of lactose in the milk of mammals.
अल्फा
Alpha
लैक्टल
lactal
Yes. Actually, बेटा primates में क्या होता है? ये जो आपका प्रोटीन है, I'm talking about this only, alpha lactalbumin. This is actually upregulated, मतलब एक हार्मोन आपने पढ़ा होगा 11th में, अगर थोड़ा बहुत याद हो, प्रोलैक्टिन.
यस मैम
Yes, ma'am.
Chemical
Yes.
coordination. Yes, there
Yes,
was a
yes, ma'am.
harmone.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
this production is actually in response to the hormone prolactin. So it starts increasing the production of lactose. In short, you remember, it is involved in the production of lactose, controlling the amount of lactose. So milk which contained, इसका जो milk है बेटा, Rosie का, it is containing this protein. What is the name of the protein?
अल्फा लैक्टल
Alpha
Alpha
lactalbumin.
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 अल्फा लैक्टलब्यूमिन मतलब किस चीज का अमाउंट ज्यादा हो गया मिल्क में?
लैक्टोज
Lactose.
Lactose. So
Lactose.
it's a more balanced
Lactose.
product for human babies than natural cow's milk. If you give a natural cow milk to a baby, compare the milk of a natural cow and compare the milk of this transgenic cow. तो दो benefits मिलेंगे बेबी को. Okay? इस तरह के क्वेश्चंस ही आते हैं बेटा, ध्यान से सुनो. Okay? What are the two advantages in
मैम
the
प्रोटीन
milk
ज्यादा
of?
होगा
एक
और
प्रोटीन
लैक्टोज
ज्यादा
ज्यादा
होगा एंड दूसरा उस मिल्क में क्या ज्यादा होगा बेटा? लैक्टोज
लैक्टोज
ज्यादा.
Lactose.
क्लियर एवरीबॉडी? ये वाला पॉइंट क्लियर हो गया?
Yes, ma'am.
So everybody knows about the first transgenic cow, Rosie,
Yes, ma'am.
and then we know that why the milk of Rosie is special. Very quickly name the protein which helps to
Alpha
control the amount of
lactalbumin.
lactose.
Alpha
Lactalbumin.
lactalbumin.
Okay, very good. Now let's move on to the next point. We have already discussed about 3 points. What were the 3 points? First was normal physiology development. Second was study of diseases. Third is biological products. Fourth, we come to vaccine safety. Transgenic mice are being used for testing the safety of vaccines before they are used on humans. For example, polio vaccine. See, polio vaccine, whenever it is made, आपने वो process पढ़ा था, downstream processing in the
Yes,
previous
ma'am.
chapter.
Yes, ma'am.
In
Yes,
downstream processing, I told you there is a very important step जिसमें हमने लिखा था testing and certification. पढ़ा
Yes,
था ना
ma'am.
बच्चे?
Yes,
And I also
ma'am.
told you the certifying. I told you the certifying agency in India. नाम बताइए. Very
Indian
bad.
Council of Medical Research.
Very good. ICMR. Very good. ICMR. It generally, तो आपने एक वैक्सीन बनाई. Supposing Gausia ने एक वैक्सीन बनाई, and she feels that this vaccine is very good for a particular disease, so she needs to get it certified. So she will go and give her sample to ICMR people. तो ICMR क्या करेंगे? गौसिया पे टेस्ट करेंगे या अभिरूप पे टेस्ट करेंगे, यशस्वी पे करेंगे, खुशी पे? Whom are they going to test on?
माइस
Mice.
Mice.
Nice. We cannot risk the life of people like Utkarsh कि चलो इनके ऊपर ट्राई कर लेते हैं. We cannot do that. So we'll take it with mice. If found reliable and successful, they could replace the use of monkeys in order to test the safety of batches of the vaccine.
मैम
Now,
माइस
if it
को
is
पोलियो होता है
reliable, pardon,
मैम माइस को पोलियो हो सकता है
माइस को पोलियो इन अ सेंस हमारी तरह पोलियो नहीं होता है, लेकिन लेग में डिफॉर्मिटी आती है बेटा उनके भी पैरों में और मूवमेंट में. उसको हम एक
Okay, ma'am.
डिफरेंट नाम दे देते हैं, बट वी डोंट कॉल इट पोलियो. इफ फाउंड रिलायबल, रिलायबल मतलब क्या होता है? अगर हमें
मैम
लगा कि
ठीक-ठाक.
गौसिया, यस, गौसिया की वैक्सीन ठीक ठाक है इन वर्ड्स ऑफ अभिरूप, then they could replace the use of monkeys in order to test the safety of batches of the vaccine. Why we want to replace monkeys? जब monkeys पे testing कर ही रहे हैं, So why do we want to replace monkeys with mice?
Ma'am, because they are not
क्योंकि
totally
मैम वो-
similar to humans.
Yes, ma'am.
They are not.
मैम कुछ similar है मैम
100%
humans
similar
से.
to humans.
Yes. क्यों है बेटा similar हम लोग monkey से? 10th में पढ़ा होगा.
Ma'am, same order.
वो हमारे brothers हैं.
हाँ, very good. Yes. बड़ी confusion है even bio students को. वो समझते हैं कि monkeys are our ancestors. But monkeys हमारे ancestors
Brothers
नहीं है
हैं.
बेटा.
Brothers.
Yes, brother की sister भी हो सकती है उत्कर्ष.
हाँ मैम brother sister वही.
Yes,
हाँ तो
ma'am.
sister बोलो. Don't be gender biased. सिर्फ brother बोल रहे हो.
Yes ma'am sister ma'am brother.
Yes, they can be brothers and sisters. जो भी monkeys आसपास दिखे बेटा उनको feed करा करो. They are brothers and sisters. जो बेचारे बेचारे अलग हो गए. So you need to take care of them. There are a lot of monkeys in Bareilly and you hush them off. याद रखो सब बहन भाई हैं, एक ही परिवार है. Though they are
Okay,
not
ma'am.
ancestors. Chemical safety testing. The next one. It is also known as toxicity testing or safety testing. The other name for chemical safety testing is toxicity testing. इसमें क्या होता है बेटा? It is similar to the procedure used for testing toxicity of drugs. Drugs का मतलब वो वाले drugs नहीं, रिया चक्रवर्ती वाले drugs I'm not talking about. What does
Okay.
drugs mean over here? What are drugs?
Ma'am,
In
medicines.
biology.
Medicines
Medicine.
we use for drugs.
I thought I'd better clear it out before you have any confusion. So we don't test those drugs which are in use these days. We test medicines. We are bio students, so we are going to test the toxicity of drugs. Utkarsh, what do you mean by toxicity?
अरे मैम कि टॉक्सिसिटी मतलब कि मैम कितने मैम अच्छे मतलब कि कोई साइड इफेक्ट तो नहीं है मैम मेरे हिसाब से.
What is the word toxic mean? Exact meaning बताइए. What is the word toxic?
Hazardous.
Hazardous.
जहरीला.
Hazardous or poison.
Basically poisonous. Yes, something toxic means poisonous. So obviously it is going to be dangerous. अच्छा ठीक है. Now transgenic animals are made. अब हमने क्या करा? हमने transgenic animals बना लिए. कौन से animals बनाए? Which carry the genes, which make them sensitive to toxic substances. Okay? We have introduced a gene जो उन्हें क्या बना देगी? Sensitive to toxic substances than the non-transgenic animals. Then what do we do? They are then exposed to toxic substances and फिर हम उनके effects को study करते हैं because they are sensitive. उन पे असर आएगा in toxic substances का. Okay? And then we will see कि क्या effect आ रहा and then we can get the results in very less time. Very quickly, I am taking up these things. Normal physiology development, study of diseases, biological products, vaccine safety, chemical testing. When I started with this chapter, I had discussed this word with you. You remember?
Yes, ma'am.
Ethical
Yes.
issues. So let's study what are ethical issues. What did we discuss in this?
मैम की सोसाइटी दो कैटेगरीज में डिवाइडेड है. एक
Yes,
जो
ma'am.
सपोर्ट करते हैं बायोटेक्नोलॉजी को, एक जो
Very
नहीं करते हैं.
Very good. तो हम ये जानने की कोशिश करेंगे कि कुछ लोग क्यों अपोज करते हैं. ठीक है बेटा? Manipulation of living organisms by human race can be unethical and should not go unregulated. Unregulated means it should be in a controlled manner. That day I told you downstream processing कितना strict रहता है in all countries. So that we make it controlled, we make it unregulated. हम सबको allow नहीं कर सकते हैं. जो मन में आए, you cannot introduce any gene into anybody. The genetic modification of organisms can have unpredictable results when such organisms are introduced into the ecosystem. Now, those people who oppose, they say that there is a balance in the ecosystem and balance सब गड़बड़ हो जाएगा. अगर सबको हम modifications करने लग जाएंगे and everybody has become resistant to diseases, nobody is going to die. So what is going to happen? The natural ecosystem, अब हमने क्या बना लिया बेटा? Insulin resistant बना दिया, pest resistant बना दिए, disease resistant बना दिए. So what is going to happen now? The natural mortality rate will automatically go down. Number one. Number two, we are destroying somewhere the natural balance of the ecosystem. The modifications or the usage of living organisms for public services has also created problems with patents granted for the same. What is a patent?
मैम
Ma'am,
पेटेंट
to patent
मैम
means to
पेटेंट
make
कर
it
देते
in
हैं
your
उसी
name.
में कॉपीराइट टाइप का.
हाँ, बेसिकली अगर मैंने एक ऐसा पेन बना लिया जिसकी इंक कभी खत्म ही ना हो या रिफिल हमेशा जिंदगी भर चलती रहे, तो इट्स अ न्यू डिस्कवरी ऑफ माइंड. अब इफ आई
Ma'am.
शेयर इट, सपोज आई शेयर दिस इंफॉर्मेशन विद अमन, एंड अमन फील्स कि चलो अब मैम क्या करेंगी, मैम की तो अब एज हो गई, अब मैम को क्या करना है इतनी पब्लिसिटी लेके. सो लेट मी टेल द वर्ल्ड दैट आई हैव डन इट. So what will Aman do? Aman will go and publicize. He'll say, "Dekho, dekho, this pen I have made." And then, after Aman does this, same idea comes in the mind of Abhiroop or Yashasvi or Khushi or anybody, Gausia, anyone, and they also want to do the same. तो क्या होगा? लड़ाई होगी नहीं होगी?
Yes,
लेकिन
ma'am.
मैम
Yes, ma'am.
इनको पता नहीं आपने पेटेंट लेके रखा होगा.
नहीं बेटा, मैंने पेटेंट छोड़ दिया. अब मैंने क्या करना बुढ़ापे में? बच्चे नाम कमाएंगे. That is better for me. So patents are better. पेटेंट मतलब अपने नाम पे किसी चीज को रजिस्टर करा लेना. Therefore,
तो
there is
मैम
a need for
नेचुरल
some
डेथ नहीं होगी. मैम नेचुरल डेथ नहीं हो
नेचुरल
सकती
डेथ
पर
कम हो जाएंगे. यस, कम
हाँ.
हो जाएंगे. सो नेचुरल इकोसिस्टम गड़बड़ हो रहा है. Therefore, there is a need for some ethical standards to evaluate our actions. The sets of standards that are used to regulate our activities in relation to biological world are called bioethics. जैसे सोशियो एथिक्स होता है कि अपने घर का गार्बेज दूसरों के नेबर्स के सामने मत फेंको, लाउड अपने घर में म्यूजिक जोर से मत लगाओ. These are known as socio ethics. I mean ethics to be followed in a society. ऐसे ही there are some moral rules which we need to follow in biological world. They are known as bioethics. Is it okay for everybody? Bioethics
Yes, ma'am.
matlab those which activities to be controlled in the biological world. Public is very much concerned that certain companies are being granted patents for the products and technologies that make the use of the genetic materials, plants and other biological resources that have long been developed by the farmers and indigenous people of a specific region or a country. नॉर्मली क्या होता है बेटा, अगर आप विलेज में जाओगे ना, यू विल बी शॉक टू सी कि वो लोग हिंदी में जैसे बोलते हैं ना जुगाड़, कुछ भी होक एंड क्रुक करके इतनी बड़ी बड़े काम कर लेते हैं कि वी कैन नॉट इवन थिंक अबाउट देम. इन लोकल विलेजेस इफ यू गो, यू विल बी अमेज्ड टू सी कि अपनी लाइफ को इजी करने के लिए वो बहुत सारी ऐसी छोटी छोटी डिस्कवरीज कर लेते हैं. जैसे कि नॉर्मल एग्रीकल्चर में ही आई नो, एक बार मैंने सुना था, आई डोंट नो हाउ राइट इट इज, कि पीलीभीत के पास देयर इज अ विलेज. वहां पे उन लोगों ने कोई ऐसा क्रॉप ग्रो किया था जिसके ऊपर कोई पेस्ट और ये जो है अटैक ही नहीं कर रहा है, एंड विदाउट यूजिंग एनी केमिकल्स. आई डोंट नो इट वाज ट्रू और नॉट. नीरज सर एंड आई वर प्लानिंग टू गो देयर, बट फिर हम लोग जा नहीं पाए थे. सो होता क्या है, दिस इज डेवलप्ड बाय फार्मर्स एंड इंडिजिनस पीपल, लोकल पीपल ऑफ अ स्पेसिफिक रीजन और कंट्री. लेकिन क्या होता है बेटा, कोई बड़ी कंपनी, कोई फॉरेन कंपनी जब विलेज में आती है, ये चीजें देखती है, तो व्हाट डू दे डू? वो अपने नाम से इसको क्या करा लेते हैं बेटा? पेटेंट करा लेते हैं. एक्चुअली डिस्कवरी किसकी है? फार्मर्स एंड इंडिजिनस
Farmer.
पीपल, बट पेटेंट किसी और के नाम पे हो गया. इन ऑर्डर टू कंट्रोल दीज इश्यूज, फिर बाद में लड़ाई झगड़े होते हैं. सो इंडियन गवर्नमेंट हैज सेट अप एन ऑर्गेनाइजेशन. द नेम ऑफ द ऑर्गेनाइजेशन इज जेनेटिक इंजीनियरिंग अप्रूवल कमिटी, GEAC. Give me the full form of GEAC quickly.
जेनेटिक इंजीनियरिंग अप्रूवल
Genetic
कमेटी.
engineering
Approval committee.
Yes, this makes all decisions regarding the validity of GM research and the safety of introducing GMOs for public research. आपने कोई जेनेटिकली मॉडिफाइड ऑर्गेनिज्म बनाया, उसको पहले टेस्ट करना और फिर ये इंश्योर करना है कि इसे पब्लिक में लॉन्च करना है कि नहीं करना है. Who is going to do this work? Which society is this? जल्दी बताओ कमेटी.
GEAC. Genetic
What is a
Engineering
patent?
Approval Committee.
Patent is a set of exclusive rights granted by the government to the inventors or their assignees. Assignees मतलब मैंने कोई डिस्कवर किया, मैंने आगे अमन के नाम पे कर दिया, so ये अमन हो गए assignee. I am the inventor. To prevent others from commercial use of their invention. And when a patent is granted for a biological entity and for products derived from them, they are called biopatents. Primarily, USA, Japan, and members of the European Union are awarding biopatents. अभी हम लोगों के पास ये अथॉरिटी ही नहीं है कि हम लोग biopatents दे पाएं. Very few countries have been given this power to approve our biopatents. What is the name of the countries?
USA,
USA,
Japan.
Japan, and
USA, Japan.
USA, Japan, and
Yes, although there are more countries, but these are the main countries. जल्दी से बताओ, maximum biopatents किसने approve किए हैं? यानी maximum discoveries अगर उनके according चले तो कहाँ पे हो रही हैं? USA,
USA, Japan.
USA and Japan.
USA and Japan.
in Japan.
थोड़ा बहुत अपना करंट अफेयर्स रिवाइज करिएगा और पढ़िएगा कि यूरोपियन यूनियन क्या है, क्या चीज है. अभी अभी उसको एक कंट्री ने छोड़ा था, यूरोपियन यूनियन. किस कंट्री ने छोड़ा था?
मैम
मैम भूल गए मैम.
ब्रिटेन ने छोड़ा था मैम.
Russia.
ब्रिटेन ने छोड़ा था. एक्सीलेंट. ब्रिटेन लेफ्ट दैट
यस
फर्म.
मैम.
वी वर नॉट फाइन विद इट, सो दे लेफ्ट दिस. हाँ जी बेटा.
मैम
बायोपायरेसी
ब्रिटेन मतलब तीनों कंट्री ने.
पार्डन.
मैम रिटेन
अरे,
तीनों तीनों कंटेंट है।
हाँ they left it. What was the reason? क्यों छोड़ा था यूरोपियन यूनियन? What was the issue? Why they felt कि इसको छोड़ देना चाहिए?
मैम 1 साल
होगा।
पुरानी बात है, याद नहीं है।
वेरी गुड। तो फिर बेटा ABCD कैसे याद है? वो
मैम
भी याद है
मम्मी ने
या वो
मार
भी
मार
याद
के रटाई थी।
इसलिए याद है ना? तो जिस टीचर ने ये रटाया होता वो भी मार मार के रटाया होता तो याद होता. नाउ यू हैव गिवन मी अ ट्रिक हाउ टू मेक यू पीपल लर्न थिंग्स.